My crush!
Come on, man.
Wow! Guess I have a new crush too!
You again. Move.
Huh?
Yeah, this is our spot.
You can't do that! You wanna fight? I'll give you a fight! This is not acceptable!
What the?
Weren't expecting this, huh?
I'm not scared.
What's happening?
Earthquake!
Well, I'm scared now!
Huh? Watch out!
Whoa! What are those?
Huh? Space boxes?
Wow! It's raining dollhouses!
Guess the makeover challenge is on.
Oh, I'm so gonna win this.
I wouldn't bet on it, cause I have the perfect renovation plan. You know my motto, it's paint it black. That song is literally my anthem. This is incredibly satisfying. Glitter belongs to everyone, and black glitter will make my roof look like the starry night sky. Hey, it's almost time. Huh? Oh, it totally slipped my mind. You really want to go, huh? Well, here's your ticket. Yay! Thanks! Bye! Have fun! I'll be here when you return.
It's my turn. They say one can never catch a rainbow? Well, watch me! Can't get any better than this!
Whoa!
Now watch! My dollhouse will reflect my colorful personality. Yay! But now it's time! Oh, I see. You want this, I assume. Yep, thanks. I'm out.
Didn't expect to see you here.
Let's just ride.
The chimneys fit the rest of the roof.
I'm going with a more magical vibe. Cute!
I don't think I like this ride. Rockstar energy!
Unicorn luck! Don't worry, I got you!
Hey, a little bling-bling wouldn't hurt.
That was so fun!
I know, right?
We're back!
Wow, look at these houses!
You like them?
We've been working really hard on this renovation. Mine looks much better, though.
They both look great. Yoo-hoo! You wanna play?
Sure do.
Catch!
You're really good at this. What's going on?
Looks like they became friends.
I like hanging out with you.
Same. Aw, what a romantic plot twist.
Nah, no way!
Ugh.
No more playing around. A fence will keep you separated.
I can't believe he's doing that!
I don't want to be separated. Hey, what's wrong with you?
Oh, now you can't even see my garden!
Huh? Well played.
Thanks.
I'm not talking to you anymore. No, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I don't accept your apology. I know how I can make it up to you. Look what I got.
Wow.
I knew you'd like it. Let's park it right here. I want to take it for a test ride. So cool. Hey, check out my ride. Forget her! Here's your lounge chair. And lamps to light up the night. Sorry, I'm daydreaming. Let me look. Wow, I love what you did.
Oh, hang on. I'm thinking of something. Want some refreshment in the meantime? It's strawberry lemonade, your favorite. That was good. And inspiring. I have an idea. Not a single straw will go to waste. Ta-da! Yay! So fun! A must-have for my garden.
Wow, I love seeing her so happy.
Girl, you need a cool ride too. Just don't forget to wear your helmet. Yay! So peaceful. Look at this cutie. Here's a snack for you, little one. Aw, adorable. I don't want to ever leave.
Hilarious. Hey! Hey-oh, yoo-hoo! I got you your own home theater system. A comfy chair to watch movies, and a bed made for punk rock dreams. I could use some sleep indeed. What's that? I'm dreaming of my soulmate. Hey! Some popcorn while you watch something? Good thinking. Oh, this scene is hilarious! Oh, that's my favorite! Sleep, bud. It was a tiring day indeed. In the meantime, I'll make some finishing touches to the decor.
I'm tired. I want to lie down. Right. I'll get to it. Here's a cozy, comfortable, and soft bed for you. Yay! Great! Thanks! And the rest of the bedroom? Worry not. I'm on it. A chic vanity for skincare and beauty routines. And of course, your mini products. My fave is the red lippy. Classic. Plants make every room feel alive. And this will be your reading corner. Yay! I love it! But more importantly, what do you think? So amazing! So us! I'll fix my makeup. You do that, girl. And I'll get to fixing these windows. The new curtains need to fit the rest of the vibe. So, these will be perfect. Shiny, colorful, and dreamy.
Huh? What's that? Curtains? Can't believe I forgot about them. Can't fall behind on this renovation. There we go. Edgy is my middle name. One look at these and you'll know this house rocks.
Here comes the rest of the living room furniture. Each piece adds a little more personality to the space. This room is making me smile already. It feels so cheerful and full of energy. Colorful tablecloths for fun dinner parties. Bold colors. Big statements. Nothing here that won't catch your eye. It'll feel like living inside a painting. Or a fairy tale storybook. You decide. Pop Art Museum internal design achieved! Yep, approved and appreciated. I'll enjoy everything my new living room can offer. I can't stop looking at it. Who's the cutest? Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Aww.
What?
Huh? Nothing. The glittery style? Not so much. It's like a vampire library. A few horror stories belong here. Being punk doesn't mean skipping skincare. Tough on the outside, cozy on the inside. All done. Chicken burger, my favorite. Yay, so glad.
We did it! The renovations are officially complete!
This is exactly what I imagined I would do.
Same! I'm so proud of my work.
The contrast between the styles is wild, though.
Agreed! I love how unique they both are. Something's still missing.
Huh? Psst! Come on, help her! Me? How? Okay. Hey, maybe this'll fix that.
Oh, wow! For me? I wasn't expecting that. Thank you, you're so kind. This'll look perfect over here. Yep, it was made for that corner.
Glad I could help.
Whoa!
Your eyes are the most beautiful.
A dream come true. I could get used to this.
They're adorable.
They're my favorite couple.
Look.
Bye!
See you later.
Aw. Maybe we could be…
A couple too?
You read my mind.
This is my favorite seat in the world.
Right next to you. Whoa! Where am I? Ouch! Hey!
You're in the way.
Yes! Ugh! Excuse you!
Huh? No, you didn't! My loyal bat, I summon you! Ready for action!
I'll show you a real grand entrance. Here I am! Yeah, nobody likes Team Vampire. Ugh, why does this keep happening? At least I know how to escape it. This gave me some inspiration. Call this roof insulation. Now let's add some ocean magic. Straight from my kingdom. This is already giving underwater palace vibes. I've done a shell-tastic job. I expect nothing else from myself anyway. Saving the best for the last. It's the jewel of the sea. Final touches. Whew.
Ugh, there's nothing impressive if you ask me. My turn. I know what I need. Yeah, I love it. That shell was cute, but this house needs more bite. Spooky! Huh? What's that? Where did it come from? Shoo! Shoo! You're ruining my freshly done roof! I know who can help.
You need me? Consider it done! This might take a while, though.
Ugh, yeah, I can see that.
Well, I don't want to waste more time watching that drama. A little underwater glow will bring the rooms to life. These reflections make it feel like we're beneath the waves. The floor's next. Let's bring the seabed right into the room. Soon, this floor will be swaying with seaweed. I mean, moss. But shh. At least it looks like seaweed. Every mermaid needs a place to relax. But hang on. I'll turn this thing into a throne fit for a sea princess. The perfect spot to sit and admire my interior decoration. A touch of ocean magic in every corner. Isn't this coffee table a treasure? Pearls make everything feel more elegant. Books and journals for quiet afternoons. More pearls that deserve to be admired. And the living room is complete. It's mesmerizing if you ask me. So, what do you think? Wow! I want to spend some cozy time in here. My favorite book.
Huh? You call that mesmerizing? I call it nonsense. My windows need to give haunted house vibes. Time to work my magic. Let's make the living room elegant, mysterious, and unforgettable. A vampire lord must have a proper library corner. A picture to remember home. The perfect chandelier for moody lighting. Yoo-hoo! Check this out. This is how you decorate with taste. Oh, absolutely! You nailed it! Let's practice some dark spells.
Yay!
They both love their living rooms.
I'm so tired. Oh, that means you'll need a bedroom to rest. Then let's decorate one for you. Soft beds? Sure, but first, soft walls. I want the room to feel like waking up by the ocean. And to achieve that, first I need soft golden sand. Let's bring the beach inside. We're bringing summer into the room. Soft sand under your feet. Perfect. I mean, your tail. Now for the glowing guests.
Ugh, go away! Wow, glowing. Ouch!
Oops, sorry. But honestly, it's your fault for touching jellyfish. Anyway, back to decorating. This bedroom needs waves, shells, and sparkle. The sand was just the beginning, you know. The details are dreamy. The room is getting cozier and cozier with each thing. Voila! Time for that beauty sleep. Go ahead. Look. This is the perfect room for sweet dreams.
Boring. Huh? Ugh, forgot I can't see how handsome I am. But that doesn't mean the bedroom shouldn't have a mirror inside. A lord's bedroom needs a rustic touch. Sand? Please. Wood has character. I mean, a vampire doesn't walk on sand. He makes an entrance. We need a place for all the capes. Now for the most important part. The bed. Huh? Whoa. Oops. Sorry. Comfort, but make it Gothic. This is classy. Let's test how comfortable that is. Bat mode!
You okay in there? Uh-oh. I'm kinda worried about him. Let me help. You're free! Ah!
Human mode! Phew. Thanks for the help. I could spend an eternity here. Literally.
Hey, over here! What's up?
What are you saying?
just…
Oh, okay. I think I got that. The yard needs some work. Red velvet is fancy and all, but for the garden, it's a no-no. Fake grass first. I refuse to touch real mud. I feel a bit hungry. Maybe we can grill something. Now we can host a feast under the moonlight. Perfect for throwing monsters-only dinner parties. Hey, Skelly, get grilling. You might use some food yourself.
Yum! Smells delicious!
Save some for everyone. But the yard is too cheerful now. These'll fix that. I'm not crying. The moonlight's in my eyes. My dears, you will rise again as zombies. This one is for moonbathing. Aw, my best friend, my fur child, who doesn't have fur.
Aw, he's adorable!
No!
But why?
You gotta ask permission first, that's why. This fence will keep you away from my property.
I don't want anything to do with your garden. I'll create my own. Soft sand will make it feel like the coast. Makes you want to build sandcastles, right? This'll make the garden feel like a beach resort. Because even mermaids need a place to dry their tails, you know. And here's my bestie. Aw, he likes his new place! Yay! These'll make my garden sparkle once the sun hits. So cool! Tiny stones? Yes, please! They'll add a charming touch. A stone path straight through the shore. This is giving seaside cottage. Sand, stones, sparkle, and sunshine. Incredible! Hey! Come, enjoy your new garden! Wow! I can spend the entire day here!
Wow, that looks so relaxing. Come on, bud, time to wake up! Whoa, that felt like an eternity.
Hi!
Hey man, good to see you. And Pawpaw's here too! I couldn't ask for more. Yay! Hang on. Much better. Sunscreen is important. You got that right. Behold, the masterpiece. Now this is a house with personality. Look at that. Every room has presence.
Sure, but let's admire my work now. From the bedroom to the garden, everything feels peaceful and beautiful. Every corner has its own little wave of magic.
We nailed this dollhouse challenge.
What's going on?
That's mine now.
Hey! But that's not fair!
Let's at least put those tears to use.
You're truly evil! Wait! Aww! You made me a little ocean!
How?
Under the sea! Under the sea! Ooh! This'll be perfect for my new home! See? The ocean always rewards its own!
Ugh, why do I care?